All right, so it doesn't appear to just work by me doing that. Essentially, me attempting to utilize it in a wired form doesn't appear to be working. So yeah, this cable is only used for charging the device, it looks like. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. My name's John Green, and in this video, I'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini Keyboard. Something that's supposed to be good for traveling and on the go. So let's check it out. So I'll start by flipping this over. Features a long-lasting comfort. It has mechanical keys. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, iPad, iOS, Chrome, Linux, and Android. So just about every device you can think of. Smart illumination. So it's backlit, which means you can see the keys in the dark, which should be interesting. All right, so the first thing that comes out of the box is what looks like the keyboard, and then some instructions engraved in the box showing how to get this set up. All right, so there's a Bluetooth fob that comes with it that you essentially looks like you'll be able to plug it in your computer and it'll automatically be able to work, or you can utilize Bluetooth pairing and pair it pretty easily utilizing 3 of the keys that are on the keyboard. So we'll check that out. Okay, checking it out. And this is the full size of the keyboard. All right, pretty compact, but not as small as I thought it would be, if I'm being honest. I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller, but this is actually pretty nice. This can fit in, say, a briefcase easily. It would be nice to see if they included a sleeve, but it doesn't look like they did. Let me check this out though. All right. So it looks like there was another little box in there, and that comes with the USB-C cable that you can utilize to charge this device and potentially utilize it as a wired keyboard. So it'll be nice to test that as well. Excuse me, in my throat. All right, if I move that out of the way, put this down, looks like in this slip right here, this is the Bluetooth fob. Okay, so I'll set that off to the side. But how does this feel? Yeah, there's also kickstands on the back. So you have kickstands on the bottom of it. You have the button to turn it on, turn it off. It's already a little bit charged, so I don't have to pre-charge it, which is nice, but every unit may not come that way. There goes that USB-C port to charge it or utilize it in a wired form. So pretty nice, pretty nice. And let's see how this feels. All right. This actually isn't bad. I wish the space bar had a little bit more travel, because I feel like I'm just really banging it into that key right there. But let's see. This actually isn't bad. All right, time to utilize it and get a real sense of how it feels. Does it work if I do it like that in wired mode? All right, so it doesn't appear to just work by me doing that. Let me disconnect my main keyboard. Yeah, so just plug in the USB-C port. For me, let me know in the comments, if you have a different use case, but essentially me attempting to utilize it in a wired form doesn't appear to be working, but I can easily go ahead and pop in this Bluetooth fob. So yeah, this cable is only used for charging the device, it looks like. But yeah, if I go ahead and put in that fob, now it's working. I gotta say, pretty freaking nice. I didn't think it would be that good. I utilize a Razer Chroma keyboard, a pretty old version, but it is nice. And this, it gives me a good mechanical key vibe. It has a good tactical feel, in my opinion. So for somebody that typically types on a keyboard like this, and wow, this is dirty in comparison, but yeah, this is what my regular keyboard sounds like. This is what this keyboard sounds like. Overall, pretty cool, pretty solid. All right, folks, well, that is my unboxing and initial first impressions of the Logitech MX Mechanical Keyboard. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts and your opinions if you've used this or if you plan to utilize it and what you think about it. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for future videos. As always, folks, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.